Right, welcome back to another video of BF Performance of Custom Exhaust. Now today we have got Harry's car. He's going to do a little modification to his car. He's been dying to do some mods. This is his new car. I mean, he's only had this car about a month, I would say. Is it about 4 weeks or something like that, Harry? Yeah, about 4 weeks. I mean, he's not done a lot to it in that time. He's just been doing little subtle modifications, and we're going to have a little series, I think, on this because he's got loads of good ideas coming up. I mean, we were looking for Sciroccos for a while for him. I mean, he never shut up about Sciroccos actually for weeks. He was searching and searching, trying to find a nice one. And he finally found this one, which was in Yorkshire, not too far away from here, about an hour's drive. We went out to look at it and we could not fault it. I mean, the bodywork is absolutely mint. It had really good service history. And another selling point was the fact that the timing belt had been, well, the timing chain, sorry, not the timing belt, the timing chain had been done, and it had been done by a Volkswagen dealership with all the receipts there of all the timing chain, all the sprockets and all that sort of stuff had been done, which was a big selling point because that is, well, if you had to get that done, I mean, I think it was it about a 1,500 quid job or something like that. So that is peace of mind that that's been done. It's a 2-litre turbo engine. Again, that's what he wanted. He wanted something that he can do a remap on, put custom exhaust. I mean, it's currently got a Miltech system on there, which we're going to take off, I think, and I think he's going to have one of our exhausts made and built for it. But I don't want to say too much because this is Harry's car, and I think I'm going to pass it over to him and let him do a talk around on this car and all the things that he wants to do to it. So let's pass it over to Harry.
From the front of the car, not much has been done, apart from it came with the black badges and this little German pinstripe. I'm not sure about that, people keep telling me to take it off, but I think it's alright, so leave in the comments if you think I should take it off or leave it on. The thing that we did the first, when we bought the car, was put the BF Sunstrip on, so we had to have our branding on there. You can buy that now, 20 quid on the website, and you can come down, we'll fit it for you, all that's good stuff. Another thing I want to do is fit a front splitter to make it a bit more aggressive at the front, and maybe some eyebrows, but I'm not sure about them yet. Now the sides of the car, there's literally nothing's been done. It's got the stock wheels, everything on it. I think these wheels have been painted black because I'm pretty sure they come in like a chromey colour at the start, but I want to change them really. I don't really like the stock ones. I also want to paint the calipers like bright green so they stand out. Side skirts, I'll probably be fitting them when I get round to it. And I want to tint these windows as well, make them a bit darker so it looks a bit better. And now to the back end of the car, which is personally my favourite part. And many Scirocco owners probably say that because of how wide it sits compared to other vehicles, like Golfs and stuff like that. The only thing that's been done on the back, obviously the Miltech system came with it, and I put this on. One of the first things I did was a spoiler lip to make it look more aggressive, because without that, it just looked flat, like there's no spoiler there at all, so it looked a bit rubbish really. That makes it a lot better. I ordered a wiper delete kit this morning, so that'll be going on, with a big BF logo sticker that we're designing at the minute for the back screen. And also, for the rear diffuser, I'm going to be fitting the R32 look with the pipes coming out the middle. I want to tint the lights a bit, make them a bit darker, and that'll probably be everything for the back. At the minute it's got a Miltech downpipe, so I'm going to be leaving that on, I think. I'm going to put a new stainless steel res in it, high flow res, and then a back box delete with the R32 look. I haven't decided which ones I want, like chrome tips, black tips, carbon tips, but I think there'll definitely be 4-inch to fill the gap nicely. The main reason I bought this car was because of the colour. Green's my favourite colour. I've got a green toolbox, which you've probably seen in previous videos. But the Viper green on these, I think, is the best colour. Like, you can get white, black, red, but they're just boring. You see them everywhere. And there isn't many of these on the roads, I don't think, especially around where we are. So I stand out really. That's one of the main reasons I wanted it as well. So yeah, very nice colour. Whilst we were talking about the side, I forgot to say that I'm going to be putting it on coilovers, because right now it looks like it's on stilts and just looks terrible. So it definitely needs to be a lot lower than it is now. So that'll be an upcoming video as well. Okay, for today's video, I'll show you what we're going to do. Just pop the bonnet. Okay, gone out and bought this Ram Air Induction Kit, which will improve the cold airflow getting through to the engine, which will hopefully improve the performance of the car as well, and maybe add a bit more brake horsepower. And also hopefully give some induction noises, which is what I'm looking for, make the car a bit louder than it is. So let's get the car in, get this fitted and see how it sounds.
Right, so I'll just explain some of the things that Harry's just going to do whilst fitting this ram air filter to his car. So this is the cold air feed. This is going to be coming out. That goes into the air box, goes through the filter and then into the engine. So this is all going to be getting deleted. This is all going to be getting taken out. And I think, pretty sure that ram air supply, a metal base which goes in the bottom, fits on the rubber mounts, and then the cold air can come straight in, straight onto that new filter. And then hopefully it'll give him some more performance and it will make it sound a lot more of an induction noise, really. That's what he's after. So let's pass it over to Harry now. He can get fitting, removing this and then fitting the new one in its place.
Okay, the casing for the induction kit comes in two separate parts. So we'll put the first bit in first. As you can see, I've already put the rubbers through, so they're ready to go on. Right, as you can see, the coolant pipe here. Instead of connecting that, ram air have nicely made like a little cutout within the cage. That'll just fit over nicely. So that's why it comes in two separate bits. So you can put this bit under first. And get it on the rubbers. Like that. And then this bit. All the way around. Get the coolant pipe inside there so it's not trapped underneath. Make sure you do that when you're fitting these. And then these little Allen keys will fix the box together nicely. Right, now the 10mm bolt that attaches into there to hold it all stable and in place. Time for the good bit now. This beautiful cone. Don't show that to Reedy, she'll get jealous. Slide it through there, just like that. Get it on there. Make sure it's right up on it. You don't want it falling off whilst you're driving, that wouldn't be good. Phillips, tighten that. These clips do come with the kit as well, which is good. Make sure they're nice and tight. Double check it. That's not coming off. Sit it in there like that. Boom. That's the induction fitted. Look at that.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me.
That's the job done. The fitted induction kit, the new one. And just looking at it, it looks so much better than this horrible stock one that Volkswagen put on. But now it's time to see how this thing sounds, and I hope it sounds well. I pray it sounds well anyway. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry.
Right, Harry's now finished this nice little modification to his car. Sounds pretty cool actually, I like the sound of it. Now, stay tuned because I'm sure there will be all those videos of this, though, you know, all the bits that he's talked about getting done. We're going to make videos of them, so there's going to be a bit of a series coming up on this car. so look out for those in the future. Just before you go though, I just want to show something off. We've recently finished our desk, which is in the front reception area, so come in and let's have a look at that. Now Jay designed this because we were going to first have like a neon sign made, but then he said, no, I've got a great idea, let's do this instead. And he came up with this design with the BF logo in it and backlit as well in red. I think it looks absolutely amazing. We've wrapped this desk as well in a vinyl wrap. Again, we probably wouldn't have come up with that idea unless we'd wrapped Jay's car and we'd use that sort of material. So we came up with that idea, and I'll tell you what, it looks pretty cool. We've got other stuff on display in here as well. You know, we've got the exhaust tips and things like that. But the other thing I want to mention is please bob over to our website, which is brake-fit.com. That is our new website, which is now nearly complete. On there we've got pictures of the garage, we've also got pictures of the team, and if you check out, we've actually got a shop page as well where you can buy bits of merchandise. You can buy those sun strips which you've just seen on Harry's car, and they're £20, and we offer a free fitting service as well, and there'll also be some other merch going on there pretty soon. So thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, that just sounds shit, doesn't it? And we put our BF sun strip on because I have to have the branding of where. Oh no, for fuck's sake. Still going? Turn it off.